It is a 19th day of improving my English. Well, coming to today, actually I skipped class today. Yeah, it is a wrong thing. Like it is a not good thing, but I have done it. Yeah, as my but timetable, like I have planned before coming to Hyderabad. I wanna go for release for Varsham movie. It is a cast starred by Prabhas and Trisha and Gopi Chand. Yeah, it is released when I born and like around in the year of 2002. Yeah, like it is a the experience come watching in theaters is like unexplainable, and yeah, it can be explained. The joy and the people, yeah, many people are like other states people are focusing on career and education, but meanwhile Telangana and Andhra Pradesh people are going for real leaders and devoting the heroes, heroines, etc. Yeah, this like Telugu people are love movies. They only love movies like cricket, movies, and politics. When movie is good, like everyone gonna watch it and like give their reviews, and it is bad or good, no matter it is a big star or a small hero or a new hero, no matter if movie is good, all gonna like appreciate it. Yeah, I enjoyed, like I have danced, have done it, and that is